Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at page 16. Something special for trombones only. And it looks to me like this page is kind of a combination between slurring and tonguing and that kind of setup. So if you look at part A, the warm-up, it shows two flats. B's and E's are flat, so that's technically the key of B flat, but they do throw some A flats in there. And they do show that sixth position, F, which I use somewhat regularly, but not. I find that my tuning in first position works better. Let's give it a go here. Right, so not the most effective tonally, but it gets you working your lips without needing to move your slide too much. So from that standpoint, it works pretty well. Here's part B, note review. In note review, there are flats in front of the notes, but nothing in the key signature. Ooh. Burp there. All right, and we're looking at part C, slurring exercises. Now you can actually do those as pure slurs or the two do. I recommend doing two do until you get a little more experience, but the natural lip slur gives you that cleaner sound. And so here's part 5. 106. And thirds in motion. I think I stole this from Mr. Pearson when I was writing some of my warm-up exercises for the kids I was teaching. 1, 2, 3. And pitch placement. 1, 2, 3, and and that leads us to the last one on page 15, chat builder. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and... So a lot of eighth notes on this one at the beginning of the measures. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Try that one more time. 1 and 2 and 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.